Vaser one, it's always critical. Always, always, always. You have to do this or you're gonna break something. This is the locking wrench on the bottom right here. Lock it like that. Hold it in position. Then when you hand tighten this down, and you can put the little nose cone over there. This has to stay in position. Then you just tighten this. So basically, if you didn't do it this way, you'd be turning the whole thing and the wire will pop, you'll short it out. So just not real hard, just snug. Okay, just snug, tighten it, that's it. This bottom does not turn, does not turn. Critical, always do it, always, always, always show the next person. If not, you're gonna have problems. That's the one thing you always have to do with the classic one Vaser, always, always. Call the Doctor's Toy Store for any other information on Vasers. Please subscribe to our channel, Real News for Real Doctors.